Welcome back to our Small Business Hub channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's absolutely vital for businesses of all sizes: e-brand and logo design. We're drawing insights from the insightful article, How to Design Your Brand and Logo, where we'll uncover the magic behind creating a visual identity that truly makes a mark. You need to think of your brand and logo as the face and handshake of your business. These elements go beyond just looks, they define how people perceive you. Your brand and logo design are at the heart of building your company's identity, cultivating customer loyalty, and gaining an edge in the competitive landscape. For one moment, imagine your brand identity as your business's DNA, utterly unique to you. It's the groundwork for your marketing strategies and sets you apart from your rivals. You would be right to consider it as the personality of your brand, connecting with your audience and building lasting relationships. Now, let's talk logos. A logo is like your brand's visual ambassador, instantly recognizable and emotionally resonant. Crafting a logo involves choosing the right symbols, ensuring flexibility, maintaining originality, and forging an emotional bond. The major brands demonstrate this with their logos. Just think of McDonald's logo. It is recognized across the world as the sign for a burger. Colors and typography are the artist's palette and brushstrokes of your brand canvas. Beyond aesthetics, they shape emotions and perceptions. The logo design involves diving into color psychology and mastering the art of font combinations. A skills which is not easily mastered, and you can recognize the value associated with the major brands' logos. Simplicity is the name of the game in logo design. Think of iconic logos like Apple's, or they're simple yet unforgettable. Color psychology is so important, and recognizing how showcasing how different colors evoke specific emotions and decisions. Your brand and logo aren't set in stone, they need to adapt to the changing times. Regular evaluation ensures consistency, and it's essential to consider factors like trademark protection and integrating feedback. Consistency across platforms is akin to speaking the same language everywhere. It's crucial for people to instantly recognize your brand. It is crucial that your logo highlights the significance of adaptability, ensuring your logo shines on various digital platforms. And that's our journey through the world of brand and logo design. Remember, your brand and logo go far beyond visuals, they encapsulate your business's soul. By heeding these insights, you can strategically craft an identity that resonates deeply, connects powerfully, and leaves a lasting impression on your customer audience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more insights into running a small business. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, take care.